What is affiliate marketing? If you're a beginner, this video is 100% for you. I'm going to break down what affiliate marketing is in the simplest way possible so that you will understand what you have to do to start making money online right away. All right, welcome to Wallet Reset. It's Mike Malbrough. So first and foremost, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a very simple and easy business model to start if you have never made money online, you want to get your feet wet, and this is kind of like the entry point for most people. So first and foremost, what do you do when you are doing affiliate marketing? Essentially, all you're doing is recommending products. And that's pretty much it. So for example, best way to think about it is you have let's say you watched a movie that your friend is interested in. Essentially, all you do is you say, hey buddy, I saw that movie, it was pretty awesome. Or you say, wasn't really that good, I'd go see this instead. Right? And that's really what affiliate marketing is you're going to recommend the best product to the people who are looking to solve a problem for themselves. All right, so essentially what that means is on your side of the fence, right, your job is to create traffic and send traffic to offers, to things that are going to help people out. All right, and in return, whenever somebody makes a purchase through your link, you get paid. All right, and it's really that simple. There's not too much to it. You can do affiliate marketing through various different websites and affiliate programs, but the best ones by far, for the most part, when it comes to selling products, are going to be Amazon, ClickBank, and there are some out there that allow you to do what they call, well, I'm not going to get too deep into it, but there's other ways to make money online with affiliate marketing by sending traffic. But those are the two that I would say stay with in the beginning. Now, I will say this because this is a common question. Do you need a website to start affiliate marketing? Kind of, but no, right? And I'll explain that. So, do you have to have a website? No, not really. You can start literally by just posting on your Facebook wall or Instagram or something like that. And as a matter of fact, there are a lot of people who do start like that. But if you're going to be promoting Amazon products, it's good to have a website simply because sometimes they'll turn you down for an associate program account, which is the name of their affiliate marketing affiliate program. All right, so they may turn you down simply because you don't have a website. Now, I've never been turned down, but I've always had a website whenever I went to sign up for a new account for an associate, as an associate with Amazon. With ClickBank, you can use that without a website. And as a matter of fact, there are a lot of people who do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, that doesn't mean that you won't be creating content. That doesn't mean that you won't eventually want to build a website. And as a matter of fact, I recommend that everyone just go ahead and build a website. Now, the reason why is because your website gives you a lot more value, right? It looks more professional, and it lets you have something of value for yourself that is an asset for your business. All right. So what I do is I use affiliate marketing in conjunction with email marketing. Email marketing, very basic, is just promoting things through your email to other people's emails. All right. And if you're interested in doing that, you may not know what it is. Essentially, the very simple way to explain that is I write an email and it goes out in the order of the people who came in. So let's say that you come to my email today, right? Well, a day from now, you're going to see an email that talks about something. 3 days from now, it's going to sell you that thing that we were talking about or something like that. And so you can set it out to where it's automatically selling for you. All you have to do is write the content once, and it basically walks people through a journey as time goes on with email marketing. Now, if you want to learn how to set up your first email marketing campaign or how to start email marketing, you can go in the description and sign up for Starters Formula. It's my free course to help people get started with email marketing. But if you don't, it's absolutely fine. You can start with affiliate marketing by doing YouTube videos or posting on social media. But I would say, at least when you start to make your first few dollars here and there, put some money into your business and get a website, because it's really gonna increase the amount of results possible for you to get, because it allows you to be a little bit more hands-off. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys got something out of that. Hopefully I've explained this a little bit simply to you. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave a question in the comments section. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. This has been Mike Malbrough. Love you guys. Peace.